Hello everyone, praise be Jesus Christ and Mary, now and forever. Amen. Today let us talk about the importance of vegetable gardening. Before we proceed, allow me to present to you the objectives of this topic. At the end of the session, you are expected to discuss the importance of vegetable gardening. 2. Identify the tools for digging holes and pulverizing the soil. 3. Enumerate the different hand tools and equipment used in vegetable gardening. And 4. Practice vegetable gardening at home. For this quarter, you are expected to have your own vegetable garden at home. And to give you a grade, I'll be visiting your homes one by one. We need vegetables in our diet to stay healthy. Vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. They help us meet the nutrient requirements of our body. That's why I am encouraging everybody to eat vegetable or different kinds of vegetables at home. Why? Because remember that vegetables and fruits are rich in different kinds of vitamins and minerals that will help you grow healthy. So what do you mean by vegetable gardening? When you say vegetable gardening class, it is the process of growing various vegetable crops for human consumption. Okay, kapag sinasabi nating various, ibig sabihin different. Okay? So, ibig sabihin different kinds of vegetable crops. It's either a root crop or a green leafy vegetables. Okay? So, let's talk about the importance of vegetable gardening. So, on your screen, number 1 is to provide the family with additional food. Okay? So if you have a vegetable garden at home, no? So kung daghana o kung sa pang ani bunga, dili na ta kinahanglang moadto pa sa market to buy vegetables, no? So moadto na lang ta sa liko sa atong balay to get the kind of vegetables that are needed para makautan ta. Okay. Next, number 2, it can be a source of additional income for the family. Yes, in fact, sa ang bukid class, we have what we call vegetable garden. And then we picked different kinds of vegetable there and we sell it or we sold it on a lower price, no? Para makakwarta mi. Next, it is an opportunity to learn a profitable hobby or livelihood, no? So dili masayang ang imuhang oras, no? Your time cannot be wasted if magtanom-tanom ka, because why? Ang income man sad, mubalik man sad ninyo. Next, it helps prevent air pollution. Okay? Then number 5, it is worthwhile leisure time activity. And it is a good form of exercise and it will improve the appearance of your home lot, no? So if you will have a garden or a vegetable garden at home, nami-tanaw ng inyong balay. Pero depende po sa pagka-arrange, okay? Next, let us talk about the hand tools and equipment used for vegetable gardening. Number 1, we have the pig mattock. On your screen is an image or an example of a pig mattock. A pig mattock is used for breaking hard soil. Okay? The pointed part is for digging out stumps of trees and stones. Next, we have the hoe. The hoe is used to break hard and compact soil. Next, shovel. Shovel is used for working on loose soil. It is usually used to dig holes in canals or ditches. Bolo is used for cutting and splitting bamboo or for cutting tall grass. And number 5, the garden rake. Garden rake is used for leveling garden soil. Again, a garden rake is used for leveling garden soil. It can be used for gathering leaves, stones, and cuttings scattered in the garden. Number 6 is what we call the hand trowel. The hand trowel is light hand tool used for loosening the soil or making the soil fine around the growing plant. Next, the hand cultivator. The hand cultivator is also a light tool used for loosening the soil. So they have the same function with the hand trowel, but as you can see, ang ilahang shape is different. Okay? Next, the sprinkler. Okay, so on your screen is an example of a sprinkler. A sprinkler might be in a plastic or made up of a can or a metal. A sprinkler is used to water plants. Remember that water is very important in terms of plant. Why? Because plant cannot make its own food without the presence of water. And remember, the process of making food of the plant is what we call the photosynthesis. Number 8 is the water hose. The water hose is a rubber or a plastic tube and used for continuous watering. No? So sometimes or most of the time, a water hose is very important. Why? Para dili na kaayo layo ka sa imong source of water. No? Mas taas ang hose, mas sayo nimo. Nga dili na mag-aswat o bugat pa nga pail. Next, we have the sprayer. The sprayer is used for applying insecticides or pesticides to control insect pests and diseases. No? So this, I know you are very familiar with this. No? So, why is it important nga mag-spray man ta sa atong tanong? It is because of the kaning mga pests like caterpillar, katong mga butterflies nga mukaon og leaves sa ato ang mga tanom kung asa ang ato ang mga vegetables might malata or ulhuron siya. That's why it is very important to apply spray or insecticides or pesticides ato ang mga tanom. Okay, next, water pail. A water pail is used to load and transport soil, fertilizer, and other gardening materials. Okay, next, number 12 is what we call the wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow is used to load, or transport vegetables from the nursery to the planting site. It is also used to carry loads and transport manure, fertilizer, and other equipments. And those are the examples or some examples of the hand tools and equipment used for vegetable gardening. Okay, so I'd like to remind everybody nga ang inyong activity sheet is gi-insert sa inyong kit. So you may now start answering your activity sheet. Okay, so, and also before I forgot, remember the last objective that we've had in this lesson. You are expected to practice vegetable gardening at home. So one by one, maadto ko sa inyong balay ug i-check na ko ang inyong vegetable garden. Okay? So dapat ang inyong vegetable garden nindot nga pagkahimo ang mga tanom buhi, no? Pag-abot sa adlaw nga mag-checking si teacher dyan. Okay? So the rubrics or the criteria will be posted in our group chat this evening or maybe later after sa amo ang practice. Okay? So that would be all for today. Once again, I am Teacher John Ray V. Togle, your home economics and livelihood education teacher.